Hey guys, my name is Nate with CN Roof Construction, and today I'm going to talk about what kind of license you need to have to be a licensed roofing contractor in Massachusetts. In Massachusetts, you need to have two types of license to run your roofing business. One of them is HIC, Home Improvement Contractor License. In order to get this license, you need to fill out a registration form, and you're gonna pay a couple $100 just based on how many employees you have, and you will get your license. But actually, if you want to do actual job, roof replacement jobs in Massachusetts and pull a permit, you must have Construction Supervisor License, CSL. This license has two types, restricted and unrestricted Construction Supervisor License. If you want to do roof replacement for residential houses, then you can get just restricted Construction Supervisor License. But if you don't want to limit yourself and do big commercial jobs and pull a permit for those projects, then you must have unrestricted Construction Supervisor License. And this license is valid 3 years, and every 3 years you need to get some additional education, and then you're gonna renew your license. And HIC license is valid for 2 years. Every 2 years, just you need to renew your license. These are the two main licenses you must have in order to run your business.